I'm always amazed at how the right wall treatment turns a cramped bath into a personal sanctuary layered with light, color, and calm. From morning pep talks to midnight soaks, good bathroom wall decor quietly works overtime for you. Like what you hear? Hit subscribe on my YouTube channel and smash that like button so you catch every new design drop. Let's dive right in. Here are my go-to bathroom wall decor moves you can try next. Breezy coastal shiplap with sea glass accents. Salt sprayed mornings, windows cracked just enough to hear gulls. That's the mood a shiplap lined wall instantly calls up. Fresh, bright, endlessly beachy. Shiplap's horizontal planks, painted a breezy eggshell white, bounce light around like sun off of foam. Layer in scattered sea glass tiles, soft aqua, pale jade, misty lavender, and the bathroom wall decor becomes a shoreline mosaic. Add brushed nickel faucets and a rope-wrapped mirror to echo dockside textures. Then anchor the scene with a driftwood-toned vanity that grounds all the airy whites. A woven seagrass pendant overhead seals the coastal anthem, spreading warm, dappled glow across every surf-touched surface. Seaside serenity without the sand. Each glance feels like a deep breath by the water's edge, washing stress right down the drain. Quick tip: swap one shiplap board for reclaimed barnwood to sneak in a rustic accent without sinking the coastal vibe. Together, these details craft a mini vacation in your own washroom. Easy, cheerful, and perfect for charging you up before a busy city day or winding down after. You'll step out feeling sun-kissed, even if the nearest ocean is 5 states away. Moody charcoal walls meet brass highlights. Love a side of drama with your morning routine? Dive into charcoal walls, bold, cocooning, and utterly chic. A velvety graphite microcement sweeps across the room, making white porcelain and brass fittings blaze like stage lights against a twilight sky. The deep tone swallows harsh glare, letting candle flame sconces flicker warmly. Pair it with a matte black framed mirror and hammered brass faucets that catch every whisper of light. Slip a rich walnut stool beneath the vanity for extra warmth, and finish with a single smoky glass pendant that drips moody glow onto the basin. Every wash feels like stepping into a secret jazz lounge, seductive, confident, unforgettable. Mood booster? A spritz of cedar and amber room spray intensifies the nightclub vibe without overpowering. Dark walls shrink visual clutter, while brass pops guide the eye to key details. The combination oozes grown-up luxury, yet stays low maintenance, making your daily prep feel like backstage glam every single time. Hand-painted botanical mural wraps the vanity. Ready for a mini jungle retreat? Hand-painted botanicals turn blank walls into living art. Lush banana leaves and watercolor blooms sweep across plaster in oversized strokes. Emerald, jade, and soft blush mingling like morning mist in a greenhouse. A crisp white quartz countertop keeps the palette from feeling overgrown, while brushed gold taps echo sunbeams filtering through foliage. Introduced rattan baskets and a pale terrazzo floor to balance the organic painting with tactile touches. Add a bamboo sconce, and shadows dance across the mural at dusk. Washing up suddenly feels like showering under rainforest canopies, fresh, energizing, a touch wild. How to? Seal the mural with clear, matte varnish to shield against humidity without dulling color. This wall art approach swaps ordinary tile for pure personality. It sparks conversation, sparks creativity, and reminds us that beauty blooms when we dare to paint outside the lines. Literally. Textured lime wash creates spa-like depth. Want spa vibes without the membership fee? Lime wash walls whisper calm in every stroke. Thin veils of mineral paint layer pale oat and soft stone, leaving gentle brush variations that absorb light rather than reflect it. The result? A tranquil cloud effect that feels cool to the touch. Complement the subtle texture with matte black fixtures and teak accessories for a Scandinavian meets Mediterranean mood. A slate top stool beside the tub adds grounding weight, and a frosted glass lantern provides diffuse glow for nighttime soaks. The room feels like a hidden cave bath, quiet, grounded, deeply restorative. Pros and cons? Pro, natural pigments resist mildew. Con, patchy by design, so touch-ups require a full coat. Limewash invites slow breathing and slower mornings. It softens echoes, hides minor wall flaws, and proves that restraint can be just as luxurious as bling. Step out with skin and spirit equally refreshed. Retro terrazzo chips climb the feature wall. Craving a sprinkle of playful nostalgia? Cue Terrazzo, the confetti of bathroom wall decor. Oversized chips of terracotta, blush quartz, and forest green marble float in creamy cement, creating a mid-century party frozen in stone. Run the slab from floor to ceiling behind the vanity for one bold statement. Match faucet handles to a single chip color, say forest green, for harmony. And cap the look with a simple globe light that nods to the era. A pale cork bath mat warms things underfoot while echoing Terrazzo's speckled spirit. Every glance is a mini celebration, cheerful, quirky, perfectly imperfect. Color cue. Pick out one terrazzo hue and repeat it in towels for instant cohesion. Terrazzo's random pattern hides splashes, ages gracefully, and injects pure joy into small spaces. It reminds us that grown-up bathrooms can still dance. Graphic black framed gallery of line art. Need art house intrigue on a renter-friendly budget? A gallery wall delivers instant sophistication. Crisp white walls form a blank canvas for slim black frames arranged salon style. Inside, minimalist line drawings, faces, figures, abstract squiggles that speak volumes with a single stroke. Matte finishes prevent glare under task lighting, while a charcoal grout pencil line echoes frame color if tiles are present. Add a floating glass shelf beneath the collection for a sculptural candle or trailing pathos, ensuring depth. Swap in brass tapware to warm the high contrast palette. The setup channels boutique hotel edge minus the price tag. Elevated, curated, personal. Display hack. Keep artworks in protective clear sleeves so steam never reaches paper. A well-composed gallery wall flexes with your tastes. Change one print, shift the entire mood. It proves small bathrooms can double as tiny museums, feeding creativity every time you brush your teeth. Glossy subway tiles stacked in vertical bands. Think skyscrapers, but tiny and tiled. Flipping classic subway pieces upright instantly stretches a bathroom wall, turning compact spaces into lofty nooks. Good news, the glossy finish bounces light like crazy, so the whole room feels taller and brighter. Brilliant white 3 by 12-inch tiles stand on end, forming sleek columns that guide every gaze upward. Narrow grout lines keep the surface almost seamless, while the glaze throws mirror-like gleams across faucets and fixtures. Add a slim chrome shelf midway for soap and a glass bud vase. Its transparency won't interrupt the vertical rhythm. For flooring, a matte charcoal hexagon tile grounds the shine and frames the wall like a picture. A single tube sconce, mounted high, finishes the architectural vibe, spotlighting each glossy plank without glare. The payoff? Your bathroom reads bigger, bolder, and undeniably modern, like an Art Deco elevator ride without leaving home. Quick flip. Lay the same tiles horizontally in the shower niche for subtle pattern play that keeps eyes curious. Vertical bands create instant stature, proving small apartments can still feel downtown luxurious. With just tile direction and shine, you unlock height, light, and confidence whenever you step in to prep or unwind. Warm terracotta plaster radiates desert calm. Dreaming of red rock sunsets and slow desert nights, Slather the walls in sun-baked terracotta tones and exhale. A clay-rich plaster lands like a warm hug, natural, cozy, effortlessly chic. Hand-troweled layers vary from dusty peach to toasted adobe, leaving subtle striations that mimic canyon walls. The finish feels velvety yet breathable, regulating moisture like nature intended. Complement the warmth with matte black fixtures and a rough-hewn teak vanity, balancing soft earth with crisp lines. A woven jute runner underfoot amplifies the grounded vibe, while an overhead pendant wrapped in raffia casts lazy, dappled light reminiscent of campfire glow. Suddenly, every shower feels like a retreat at golden hour, restful, grounding, deeply human. Mood Move. Diffuse a cedar and sage oil blend to seal the Southwest daydream. Terracotta plaster reminds us slowing down is stylish. It masks minor wall flaws, resists mildew, and wraps daily rituals in a comforting desert embrace, ideal for resetting city-frayed nerves. Japandi slatted wood screens balance serenity. Minimalism feeling chilly, blend Japanese calm with Scandinavian warmth. Enter Japandi slatted wood screens, zen lines that breathe. Vertical oak or walnut slats stand half an inch apart, filtering light into gentle stripes that sway as candles flicker. The timber's natural grain pairs flawlessly with matte porcelain basins and pebble gray microcement floors. Slide a frosted glass panel behind the slats to guard against splashes while keeping the layered look intact. A single bonsai perched on the vanity echoes the disciplined simplicity, and a linen hand towel in muted sandstone adds whispery softness. Your bathroom transforms into a private tea room, quiet, ordered, endlessly soothing. How to: keep slats raw but seal with clear water-based varnish for humidity defense. Japandi screens prove order and warmth can coexist. They mute echoes, introduce rhythm, and invite mindful pauses, perfect for meditative mornings before the city roars awake. Mirrored paneled wall expands glam boudoir vibe. Crave big night out energy even on Tuesday? Mirror panels deliver instant allure. Floor to ceiling sections of antiqued, smoke tinted, or subtly beveled mirror multiply square footage like magic. Their reflective sheen catches candlelight, jewelry sparkle, and even shampoo bottles, elevating everything. Pair with alabaster sconces that pour soft glow across the panels, avoiding harsh reflections. A velvet-wrapped stool in dusty rose slips beneath a floating vanity, injecting plush contrast. Finish with brushed nickel faucets that shimmer but don't compete. The effect? A boutique hotel powder room where brushing teeth feels red carpet worthy. Pros and cons? Pro, instant visual space. Con, fingerprints show, so keep a microfiber cloth handy. Mirrored walls amplify light, self-confidence, and pure fun. They remind us everyday routines can feel posh without an overnight stay fee. Perfect for glam lovers in tight quarters. Neon lit typography adds pop culture edge. Want your bathroom wall decor to talk back? Let neon spell it out, literally. A slim LED sign reading Soak and Roll or Get Clean glows in playful pink, scattering color across subway tiles after dark. Mounted above a matte black shelf holding monochrome art books, the contrast keeps things graphic. Soft gray grout lines echo the sign's outline without stealing thunder. Underfoot, a plush white bath rug buffers the boldness, and a simple donut-shaped mirror echoes neon curves for cohesion. The space shifts from routine washroom to backstage green room. Cheeky, bold, totally Instagram ready. Safety first, choose low voltage LED neon, cool to touch and steam safe behind sealed acrylic. Neon signs inject personality fast. They double as nightlights, spark conversation, and remind us design should have a sense of humor, essential for brightening early mornings or late-night skincare marathons. Sculptural 3D ceramic relief brings tactility. Flat walls feel meh. Time to add depth you can literally run fingers across. Matte white ceramic tiles rise in wavelets, petal folds, or geometric ridges, casting micro shadows that dance as lighting shifts. The monochrome palette keeps the drama textural, not busy. Complement with brushed steel fixtures. Low sheen lets the relief shine. An inset LED strip along the ceiling grazes the pattern, highlighting every curve without glare. Bring in a sand-colored concrete vanity for smooth, rough contrast, and slip a eucalyptus bundle over the showerhead to layer in fresh scent. Suddenly, washing hands feels like touring a modern sculpture garden. Sensory, calming, quietly luxe. Touch test. Texture hides splashes, but choose a design with gentle curves for easy wipe down. Three-dimensional tiles turn walls into art, rewarding curiosity and encouraging mindful moments. They prove bathroom decor can be both beautiful and tactile, perfect for resetting senses in a world ruled by screens. Walls worth waking up to. Bathroom walls aren't just barriers, they're mood makers too. From breezy shiplap to sculptural tiles, we saw how color, texture, and lighting can shift a small space from blah to spa. Grab one idea that made your heart race, pull those samples, and let the transformation begin. Which style will greet you tomorrow morning? Subscribe to the channel for more bite-sized design boosts.